Do these three things right now before 2026 if you want to grow your YouTube channel really fast. These are three sets of things we do at the end of every year that help our channel grow really fast. Every big creator does it at the end of the year. This gets your YouTube channel ready for YouTube algorithm to promote it in the new year. So there are three sets of things you need to do right now. And if you do the three of them the way I'm about to show you, you will be blown away by the results you get in the first quarter of 2026. The first one is a set of settings and optimization that when you do it, you get YouTube algorithm ready to start recommending your video. The second one is channel audit. If you do it the right way, the way I'm about to show you in this video, you will be surprised the kind of views you get. I mean, the growth will be massive. And the third one is a set of investment, simple yet powerful investment you need to make right now if your goal is to make money from YouTube in 2026. Every big creator does it at the end of the year that gets us ready for a new year. So let's get into it. The first thing you need to do right now is settings and re-optimization. You have to do that immediately after watching this video. And there are three things you need to do right now. The first one is rewriting your channel description. This is very important because YouTube algorithm is updated every 3 to 4 months. So if you're going to stay relevant, you have to constantly update your description with the right keywords your audience is looking for. Right now, there are a set of keywords that is currently trending in your niche that are probably not in your channel description. And if you're not able to include those trending keywords in your niche, this new year, algorithm will leave you behind. If you're able to add these trending keywords, you're going to stay relevant and fresh in the eyes of the algorithm, which makes it super easy to promote your video in the new year. Now, this is exactly what you're going to do. Go to your YouTube studio and come to this place. Go on and scroll down to this, and you're going to see this description. I want you to include those relevant keywords that are currently trending here. The wrong way to do it is to go on to introduce yourself. Hi, I am Janet. I upload videos every week. No. The right way to do it is talk about your audience and the problem you solve. You're a small channel struggling to get views and subscribers. In this channel, I talk about how to grow your YouTube channel, how to get watch hours, how to get monetized as soon as possible. These are keywords. Rewriting this description will update your channel and help YouTube algorithm promote it. Now, the second set of action you have to take under these settings and re-optimization is your channel keyword. This is super important because this is where the algorithm pick right words with which to introduce your videos, your channel to your audience. So if you don't have trendy keywords, a bunch of them in this section, you miss out the opportunity of getting YouTube algorithm to recommend your video. Now, what are you going to do? I need you to go and ask ChatGPT of trendy keywords in your niche. What are the trending keywords right now? New keywords you can include in your channel keyword. And ChatGPT is going to give you a bunch of them. Get as many of them and come over here and update this section. The last set of action you need to take under settings and re-optimization is removing or unlisting old and unrelated videos on your channel, especially if you switched niche during the year. You need to go through your videos, look for those videos that are no longer relevant or related to what you do. If you leave them on your channel, they are going to be misleading algorithms. So algorithm is going to be recommending your videos based on this old audience. So it is important you go through your videos right now, see if there are videos that are not supposed to be on your channel. Unlist them if you don't want to delete them. This brings us to the second set of things you need to do right now before 2026 if you want YouTube algorithm to recommend your videos, and that is channel audit. This is one of the biggest secrets to blowing up on YouTube, even as a small creator. All the big channels you know are quietly doing it on their channels right now. There are three things you need to do in this section. The first one is video audit. You're going to look at your top 5 videos. The videos that got the highest view, the highest subscribers, videos that kept your audience watching beyond 30%. You need to critically look at those videos. Why did they outperform? Is it the title? Is it the hook? Is it the emotions? Is it the timing of the upload? Getting clear on this will help you understand the exact thing your audience wants. The truth is that highest performing videos on your YouTube channel already tell what works, what your audience wants. And if you're able to give them more of what they want, you're going to trigger YouTube algorithm. So here's exactly what you're going to do. You're going to get these 5 videos and look at their CTR, click-through rate. You're looking at the thumbnail. You're looking at the hooks you use in the video. Are there things that are similar amongst them? This will help you understand what actually triggers your audience and what keeps them watching for as long as possible. When you do this the right way, your next upload is going to be better. And with a better upload comes YouTube recommendation. Now, the second you need to do right now is audience audit. So you're going to head over to this section here where you see the audience. You're going to look at the geographic location of your audience. You're going to look at other channels your audience watches. You're going to look at other videos they watch. It's very important you understand them because this information will help you perform better in the new year. And the next thing you want to do is to look at your worst performing videos. Look at the CTR. What's the problem with those videos? The thumbnail are not catchy, they're not attractive, the title, you didn't add hook, you didn't do a lot of storytelling. So when you analyze the best performing videos and compare the result with that of the worst performing videos, the result will be glaring. And if you take action on the answers you're going to find from this analysis, you're going to start creating the kind of videos that resonate with your audience. This brings us to the third and most important thing you need to do right now before 2026 to grow your YouTube channel really fast, investing in your channel growth. Now, this is the difference between channels that are succeeding, thriving, and those that are surviving, managing to grow. If you're going to grow really fast on YouTube, you have to invest because you can only harvest after you invested. Now, there are 3 key areas you're going to invest in. The first one is the tools. Without the right tools, it's difficult to work successfully as a creator. Now, this tool could be tripod stand, microphone, your studio setup, including thumbnail tools. If there are apps you need to pay that will help you with thumbnail creation and all that, whatever it is you need to get yourself ready for seamless content creation in 2026, please consider investing in it. The next investment is skills. Are you aware that a storytelling skill can actually skyrocket your video views? Yes, if you are a good storyteller, it is super easy to deliver your message. So these digital skills, soft skills are important. And this is the right time to invest in them. So you'll be able to use them to blow up your channel in 2026. And finally, which is actually the most important, is mentorship and coaching. You need to invest in yourself. You need to get a coach, pay for courses, join a membership, whatever you need to do to improve your knowledge of YouTube and speed. Please invest in it. Smart creators are intentionally investing in coaching and mentorship, and they are getting results from it because sometimes connecting with a coach is all you need to be committed to your work. Be very serious with what you do. Coaching is non-negotiable if you want to grow really fast on YouTube. Sometimes all you need from your coach is motivation or even accountability to keep you going. Over 80% of my clients told me that the reason why they continue to grow their channel is just our coaching calls. When you know that your coach is going to call you and ask you how far, how have you gone? Have you uploaded the video? Even if you don't feel like doing it, you see yourself doing it. If you fix these 3 things, you'll be blown away by the result you get in the first quarter of 2026. Your big creators, those big channels you admire are currently doing it. So you need to go and do them right now. Now, let me know in the comment section which of these 3 things resonate most with you. Which of them are you going to execute immediately? 2026 is almost here. Whether you're going to blow up or not depends on what you do right now. So don't sleep on this opportunity. I hope you got value from this. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. See you in my next one.